Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to clear cache on your iPhone in Safari. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that you need to scroll down and find and click Safari. After that, scroll down again and click Clear History and Website Data. And here you can choose Clear Time Frame, for example, last hour or today. And you can turn on Close All Tabs setting and click Clear History. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.